Now let's see how to avoid by using a simple thing. First of all, go to settings. In this, slightly scroll down, you can see the advanced settings, not additional settings. Click it, this one. Click it, and you can see the fourth option as privacy is there. Click the privacy option and slightly scroll down. You can see ad service is there. This is one of the important tools icon. Click the ad service. Now you can see the personalized and recommendation is there. When the recommendation is off, you will still see the same quantity of ads as when it's on, but they would not be based on your behavior data or your personal information. This is always should be in on condition. In Xiaomi and other mobiles, you can offer it right now. Once off your this personalized recommendation, this will be the important icon. If you off this, your advertisement or other ads will be completely not in your phone. It will not come to your phone. So this is the simplest way to remove your ads in your phone. So thanks for watching. For more videos, stay tuned to Tech2. Thank you.